Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to track your Kakobuy parcel. I had one of those moments where I kept refreshing my order page, wondering where my Kako parcel disappeared to. So I figured I'd actually track it properly instead of just hoping it magically shows up. I log into the Kako website, went straight to my profile in the top corner, opened my order list, which is basically where all your purchases live. Once I found the order, I noticed that it's already shipped. You see a track package or a view logistics option, and that's your golden ticket. I click it, grab the tracking number, and then headed over to tracking site like 17 Track or Parcels app, pasted the number, hit track, and suddenly everything made sense. Location updates, transit status, whole journey. It's kind of like stalking your page, but in a completely acceptable way. If you've ever wondered whether your parcel is moving or just chilling in a warehouse somewhere, this clears it up real quick. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.